Warm up with dynamic stretches. Start your workout with dynamic stretches like leg swings, arm circles, and spinal twists to activate your core muscles and prevent injuries. The power of the plank. Incorporate various plank styles, for example, side planks, plank jacks, and high-to-low planks to strengthen the entire core and improve stability. Include reverse crunches for lower abs. Reverse crunches are ideal for targeting the lower abdominal area, which is often challenging to sculpt. Mix in flutter kicks and scissor kicks. These movements work on the lower belly, while improving your endurance for longer workouts. Use compound movements. Exercises like deadlifts, squats, and push-ups engage your core along with other muscle groups, helping to burn calories efficiently. Bicycle crunches for obliques. This classic move combines cardio and core work, making it highly effective for trimming the waistline. Add resistance bands. Use resistance bands during leg raises or Russian twists to intensify your workout and accelerate results. HIIT core workouts. Perform short, high-intensity intervals of exercises like mountain climbers, burpees, and V-ups for fat burning and muscle toning benefits. Practice controlled breathing. Focus on diaphragmatic breathing to engage the deeper abdominal muscles and maintain core activation throughout the routine. Incorporate Pilates moves. Pilates exercises, such as the roll-up or teaser, are great for building core strength and flexibility. Superman holds for lower back strength. Strengthen your lower back with Superman holds, which balance out core development and reduce injury risk. Focus on nutrition. Pair your workout routine with a nutrient-rich diet, including lean proteins, healthy fats, and fibrous vegetables, to reduce belly fat. Hydration to minimize bloating. Stay hydrated throughout the day to reduce water retention and improve digestion, both of which contribute to a flatter stomach. Restorative yoga poses. Incorporate yoga poses like the child's pose or supine twist to stretch your abdominal area and relieve tension. Track your progress. Use a fitness app or journal to record your repetitions, sets, and body measurements to stay motivated and monitor improvements. Balance cardio with strength training. Alternate between cardio sessions and strength training to burn fat and build muscle, revealing a toned core. Cool down with static stretches. Finish your routine with stretches like the cobra pose or seated forward fold to promote recovery and flexibility. Consistency over perfection. Work out 4 to 5 times a week and focus on gradual improvement rather than perfection for sustainable results. Incorporate stability ball exercises. Use a stability ball for added difficulty in exercises like rollouts or crunches, which engage more muscles. Set realistic expectations. Highlight that achieving flat abs is a combination of exercise, diet, and genetics, requiring patience and persistence. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.